Hey, I'm a Coco Quim friends with Kanoko. I look like Mace Beta Designs.
Hi, I'm Kanoko, Akaka's friend. I forced her touch-up off ourselves. Because we're crazy.
I don't even know my own name. I'm Gummy's hostage.
I'm Gumi, basically a manipulator on the story. I'm Beijli Ryu from the Onibi series.
Just a Frank Stein. Gumi wanted to make. I don't want to be here.
Hey, wanna be friends with me?
Yes, of course.
Hey, do you wanna put your bodies in a box?
Is she actually FR? No, we can't do that. You kinda deserve it.
Gasp the Caesar box. Hey, wanna be my bestie?
Sure.
What the fuck?
How is she so tall?
Babes, I don't know.